Welsh Slate. 500 million years in the making.
The key thing to remember is that Welsh Slate is actually the oldest at over 500 million years old. And the slate was laid down over a period of 150 to 200 million years, let's say. Key thing that differentiates Welsh Slate is that its low level of permeability, or the way that it absorbs water, sets it apart.
First of all, we have to strip the overburden down to the productive slate, and to do this we bulk blast, where the explosive trucks come in and pump the bulk explosives into the holes, and it's set off with an initiation circuit. The overburden stripping is one of our biggest quarrying costs, so we've had to introduce methods then that improve our recovery of the productive slate. So we've looked at various methods, and the best method that we've come up with is the diamond wire sawing. The guys on the excavators are very experienced guys. The quality process starts right up in the quarry.
I've seen years ago everything was done by a sledgehammer chisel to cut the block down, and these days we got a peck, now that pecks the block into thickness for the saws. I think the only thing that hasn't changed really is the splitting side of things, that we still use a hammer and chisel and still done by hand.
It's unique, isn't it? It's the builders, all the builders say it's the best slate going in the world. Myself, I've been to Australia, and I've seen Welsh Slate on the roofs there in Sydney Harbour, and talking to the locals there and joking with them, hey, I made them.
Slate works so well because it lends itself to a variety of designs. It's very versatile. And it lends itself to contemporary design, such as the Llandudno Junction Welsh Assembly Building. It was a very contemporary design, and the slate was chosen because of its natural characteristics, and it lends itself very, very well to that design.
But it's so versatile, it can be used for a wide variety of applications, not just roofing, but we make decorative aggregates which obviously go to landscaping. We use it for walling and other architectural purposes, paving and the like.
It's the best slate in the world, and I think it's, you could call it the Rolls-Royce of slate, basically.
Welsh Slate is a global brand because going back to the 17th and 18th century, it followed the trade routes that meant that the sun never set on the British Empire.